Trigger Man, where we play no games, and we got good aim. Welcome to the channel, and thank you for watching. The Trigger Man.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today, this is our first paint video since we hit the 10,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys, all of you, thank you. You shouldn't have. Yeah, you should have. And even you creeps who are sitting in the closet with the other channels just watching, go ahead and subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Just subscribe. You watching anyway. Hey, so check this out. This is paint code 4X, like X-ray, 4X8. This is similar to some of you guys have been painting for a long time from back in the days. Remember that paint code 4M9? Every painter hated it. Every painter. 4M9, Toyota, Lexus. I ain't seen it in a while, but this is kind of similar to that. So what we're gonna be doing, man, show you guys a little trick that you can do for some of the guys who have bad blending habits. For some of you guys that have a bad technique, once you start spraying, and you know, you're out, your blend looks funky, now you gotta come out further, and further. Next thing you know, you're almost at the door or under the door handle. So we're gonna go ahead and let's give you a little technique. Not really a trick, but it's just a technique, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and of course we're gonna use the Porphis PRD split nozzle, UK technology. Let's talk about your technique. Let's talk about paint blending. Let's talk about all the things that can drive you crazy. Okay, welcome. Lots of new guys on the channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. And for all you old timers, what's up? Right now, putting down my wet bed. Nice, good, heavy coat of wet bed. Fill up those 800 sand scratches. All of my panels, blend panels, are finished with 800 grit. Okay, normally this is where I start off. Blends going side to side. This is what you're gonna want to do. Start going up and down with it. Get a little bit on your fender there. I know some guys worry about their color being different from the fender, not putting a strip of sealer on the fender. So go ahead, put your paint on the fender while you're going up and down. Okay. Then what you want to do, you're going to go ahead and flip it. Now you're going to go up the other way, up and down. Start on the fender, go into the door, You're just looking for coverage right here. You're not trying to get nothing blended. You're just getting your coverage over your primer or your sealer, whatever you do. We're trying to stay right up under the mirror. It's very easy for you to start blending this way. Your blend comes out, then you're right here, and then okay, the blend doesn't look so good. Now you got to go a little further, do your drop coat. Next thing, you're all the way at the door. That can happen real quick. Okay, you want to make sure you stay away from that hood. Stay away from the hood. Get you a little paint on the front of that fender. I know a lot of guys worry about the fender not matching the door because you're not putting sealer on the edge of the door. Just get you enough paint on there and you'll be fine. Especially on the silver, the golds, the champagne colors, you'll be fine with that. Okay, it looks a little funny when it's wet, but once it flashes off, it's fine. Now we want to go ahead and start doing our blend. You usually want to take about 2 coats to get the blend to look where it should. Okay. Right now, spraying this at 20 psi. Getting a small fan. You just want to dust it over, blend it out a little. You don't want to go crazy and excessive and just twist your wrist and sling a lot of paint back there. You don't want to do that. Okay. Let it flash off, then come a little further. Turning my pressure down, 18 psi. So this is more so like a drop coat, but also my final blend. You see, we're still staying in front of that door handle. Again, looks a little funny when it's wet. Once it flashes off, boom, you're good. Good money. Time for clear.
Trigger man, you know I'm gonna say something about this, man. What the hell, man? Really? The door handle, the mirror. Oh my God, man. That's a perfectly good Lexus. Man, you know the little damn troll's gonna come in here and tell you, say it's gonna be peeling because you didn't remove it and... Ah, Trigger. I don't know, brother. At least you got your paint suit on, but man, I like those damn PRD guns too, Trigger. I saw you did a little giveaway, man. I entered the contest, Trigger. I ain't do no damn good deeds though, man. I ain't doing no good deeds. Ain't good deed I do. I go kick somebody's butt, man. I ain't doing no good deeds, Trigger. But that was nice of you, brother. That was real nice, man. Do that giveaway. You know, have the guys go out and do good deeds. Like, that's really good, man. We need more of that in this world, Trigger. We need more of that in this world, brother. Hopefully the other channels now, you know, those guys see that and they start doing the same thing, you know. Do good deeds to get some spray guns, you know. That's what it's all about. You don't have to go do no damn treasure hunt, look through the videos and, you know, find the video where I turn my pressure up to 38 psi. You know, go out and do something nice for somebody. That's honorable, Trigger. That's very honorable. Anyway, mirror on, door handle on, look like crap. Unsubscribe.
All right, that's what we're looking like. A couple hours later in the sun. A couple hours later, see the blend on the fender. Nice. Nothing wrong there, nothing wrong there. Zip the door. Beautiful blend. No problemo. And let it sit in the sun for a few, unmask it, and deliver it. Just like that. So yeah, that's a wrap on this one, man. And guys, remember, it's only a spray gun. Now go have fun.
Oh, yay. So there you have it. Just a little technique you can use, you know. Try it, apply it, see how it works. If it works, cool, thumbs up. If it don't, go back to what you were doing. But this way here, like I said, guaranteed to stay away from that door. It's in the middle of a big wide panel. You know, sometimes we try to find a place to lose a blend, and we don't always have a spot that we can actually lose a blend. Sometimes you got to do it right square in the middle of a door. So, you know, give it a try. This your boy Trigger signing off. I ask that you would please like, share, subscribe. I ask that you would please tell a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.